Here is how to use modal verbs in English in the past tense. So the basic rule is that when you have a modal verb like must, could, should, will, to use these in the past tense, we use have. So for example, should have, could have, would have. And then the main verb we use in the past participle. So eat, ate, eaten, do, did, done, go, went, gone. This is the past participle. So for example, in the present tense, I can say you should go. And in the past tense, I can say you should have gone. Okay, I could say I would go. And in the past, I would have gone. I must go, must have gone. Now, this is a very general rule because there are some exceptions and sometimes the meaning can change. So let me explain a few of those to you. Number one is must. So in English, must has two different uses. The first one is obligation, something we have to do. So for example, I could say, we must go. And in the past tense, we say, we had to go. So that's a bit different. Must, had to. This is when we're talking about obligation. Another example is, we must make more progress. In the past, we had to make more progress. Now, the second use of must is when we are making a guess about something, right? We're making a guess and the probability is really high. Basically, this means we're really sure. We're not 100% sure, but we're really sure. So for example, if you say your friend is absent and you say, hey, where's Joe? You can say, I don't know, he must be sick. Or he must be at home, or he must be stuck in traffic. If it's in the past tense, I could say, yesterday, where was Joe? And you can say, I don't know, he must have been sick. He must have been asleep, right? So this is when we're making a very strong guess.